Hello! Good morning! Today is Sunday, guys. I think it's, ano bang araw na? 11th. Today is 11th of August. And busy yung kitchen ko today. That's why I vlog. Hindi sana ako mag-vlog. But I realized, why not? Busy yung kitchen ko. So I will show you. Halata bang kakagising lang? Anyway, here, I told you, busy ang kitchen. So, we have, napansin na ang trapo. So, we have adobo here. I'm gonna cook that. I'm going to cook that too. I'm just waiting for Dad kasi kulang pa ng oyster sauce yung adobo ko. Kasi yung adobo, for the next day. So, kuko na siya ngayon para for the next day, painit na lang. And then we have mais, favorite namin yan ni Mavi. And then ito naman ang ating isisigang hipon. Sigang natin yan. And here are the ingredients. So meron tayong labanos, sibuyas, yung tira natin yesterday, siling pangsigang, bawang, luya, kamatis. Then we have pipino, tinapa, kangkong, and then okra. Okay, so you might be wondering, hindi naman yun kailangan lahat sa adobo nor sa sinigang. So anyway, namalengke lang kasi si Sir. Namalengke ulit. So, Sunday kasi is palengke day here sa Bangkerhan. Ano ba yan? Napakapawis. Ay, Diyos, ano ba to? Ang init-init. 6:45 pa lang. Hulas na ako. Anyway, yeah, kamatis. We have kamatis here. Labanos. Sabi ko isa lang. Pero binili niya dalawa. So, sige, let's put it together. And then, okra. So, mag-start ako. Ito yung mga nabili niya. Mag-start lang ako, guys, na i-sort this out. And then, maybe you can just join me kasi I'm busy today. So, and then, may pili pa pala ako. So, solve na naman tayo for today's lunch. So, standby lang kayo, okay?
Pick a movie, I'll pick you up, we'll go eat sushi, or we'll go downtown. With our best moves we can boogie. Oh my, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My, oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na.
There you have it, people. Ayan, luto na tong sinigang actually. Ito, palambot pa yan. So again, low fire and then high later pag kumulo na. Ito naman done na. So,
pick a movie, I'll pick you up, we'll go eat sushi, or we'll go downtown. With our best moves we can boogie. Oh my, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My, oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na. We are goofy, playing tag in the jacuzzi. We'll go upstairs with our best.
ito i-film natin siya. Ayan na si Daddy. Hi! We're here at the hospital because Mavi is very sick. No, she's not very sick. umaga, she got stomach bug. And then, nagkaroon siya ng slight fever. At saka diba sabi ko sa inyo, may ano siya, may non-stop na ubo for 2 weeks. So, you might as well have her check. Negative naman siya sa dengue. Pero, she needs to take antibiotic and cough medicine. Kasi yung dry cough niya for 2 weeks and non-stop. Tsaka medyo ano na siya, nakatagal na. Anyway, she's fine. She seems fine. Are you fine? Is your throat not ouchy anymore? Okay, we're going kasi naiwan namin si Ate Max sa bahay. We're going now. So, bahay na kami. Actually, kanina pa. I think dumating kami 4:30. So, yung nag-edit lang ako. And then, okay naman si Mavi. Pinatest siya nung doctor. Pinalab test. Na-require ang lab test kasi daw uso daw yung dengue. But, she's negative. So, although I doubt naman talaga kasi wala naman masyadong symptoms aside from coughing. Hindi rin naman siya nag-fever. Like, for the entire 2 weeks, 2 beses lang siya nagka-fever. The very beginning, at saka earlier today, nagka-fever siya. After niya magkaroon ng, after sumakit yung tiyan. So, as usual, expected ko na antibiotic and cough syrup. So, pagdating niya, kumain siya ng fries and sumuka ulit. Actually, yung suka is because everything, kasi maga yung tonsils niya. Nangyari na rin to before. So, every time mamaga yung tonsils niya, lahat ng dumadaan doon parang nakikiliti. So, sinusuka niya. But, I think she's feeling better. Are you feeling better, love? Do you think you can go to school tomorrow? You're not going to school tomorrow? No? Why?
I'm sick.
Sana gumaling ka na para maka-go to school tayo, okay? Do you want to go? Oh no! You don't want to go to school anymore? What? You can't. You need to wear your uniform. But if you're feeling better tomorrow, we are going to go to school, okay? Lago, tayo na pumasok. Okay, so, well, that's it. See you tomorrow, guys. Hi, good morning. So, today is August 13. Okay, and I think it's 9 o'clock. And wala sa mood ang mga tao kumain ng kanin. The kids will for sure eat kanin. But kami, I think, pansit. So, we are going to make pansit today. Ito yung pansit na talaga, literal na pansit. Because last time we cooked bacon. So, this time, it's really pansit. So, this is the noodles. Yan. So, hindi ako masyadong expert mag-cook ng pansit. Kaya, I am going to ask the husband to add or to calculate the water. Kasi hindi ko siya matatansya pag ganyan ng noodles. Sometimes, over sabaw. Sometimes naman, kulang. So, let's see. But meanwhile, we're going to prepare the food. We're going to prepare the ingredients. Okay? We have here repolyo. And then, meron akong carrot sa ref, yung binili natin last Sunday. And this is the chicken breast. Carrots. Where is it? Asan yung carrots natin? Wala. Ginamit mo na sa carrots? Hindi man, diba? Okay. Nandito, nakuha ko na. Ah? Hindi, nakuha ko. Meron pala. Carrot, sibuyas, bawang. Okay? Hiwain na natin. Let's start. So, mag-cook na ako. Although, nag-intermittent fasting kami, kunyari. Dapat magkakain pa kami like around 10 o'clock. But, mag-cook na ako kasi later, magiging busy kasi papasok si Mavi. So, yesterday, hindi siya nakapasok kasi nga, may sakit siya. So, ayun. Today, she's feeling better na.
Pick a movie, I'll pick you up, we'll go eat sushi, or we'll go downtown. With our best moves we can boogie. Oh my, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na. We are goofy, playing tag in the jacuzzi. We'll go upstairs, with our best moves we get groovy. My, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na. Crazy when we drive around in our Mercedes. We're out all night or at home lazy. We're living.
Hi, good afternoon. Ito na yung magsusundo na kami ni husband dear kay Maverick. Ewan ko anong nangyari sa camera ko dyan, pero apakalabo. Pagpasensyahan nyo na. And, so, itong sundong to ay napakainit talaga. With the weather right now, grabe. As in, ang hirap magsundo ng ganitong oras. This is around 3:50. Usually, yun yung sundo namin kay Mavi. And then, na-realize ko sobrang ganda lang talagang tumira sa province kasi nga walang traffic and tingnan naman yung road, yung mga trees, diba? Tapos makikita mo yung mga estudyante nagsisiuwian sila. So, sobrang simple lang nung buhay. So, ito na yung papasok sa school ni Mav. And then, of course, to cut it short, kasi madami pa akong ginawa sa loob ng school ni Mavi. And here we are, going home na kasi naiwan namin si Ate Max. Kasi si Ate Max, ang labas niya is 4 4 o'clock, 4:30, something like that. So, anyway, yan. Nakarating na kami sa bahay eventually. And that concludes Tuesday.